Inflation is climbing again. Tech layoffs, they just hit another wave. And AI, it's replacing jobs faster than anyone has ever predicted. But here's the twist. That same AI that is eliminating paychecks is creating brand new ways to create payments and income online. And the only thing that you're gonna need is what you're watching this on, your laptop or even your cell phone. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down 5 tech side hustles you can start tonight. No coding, no fancy degree, and no startup cost. These are new modern ways that people are learning from home even while their kids are sleeping, and others while they are doing their 9 to 5 or after their 9 to 5. All it requires is Wi-Fi and consistency. So if you are tired of depending on one paycheck and you're thinking that you could be doing more with your laptop, stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you're going to know which side hustle fits you best and how to start earning your first $1,000. And this can all be done this month. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Welcome to the Next Level Life Fast, where we take the next steps needed to go towards our financial freedom and success. Now, before you roll your eyes and think about, oh, more AI hype, hang on, because this isn't about being a programmer. This is about using tools like ChatGPT, Canva's Magic Studio, or Midjourney to create digital products that people are already buying. And guess what? You can literally start this tonight. Now imagine this. You create a pack of AI prompts. They are for small business marketing, for Instagram post templates. You use the Canva and the ChatGPT and you can do it as easy as 1, 2, 3. You upload them to Etsy or Gumroad and each one of them sells for $25. Say 4 persons buy them. That's $100 before even breakfast. And here's the crazy part. These products sell again and again while you sleep. Now, according to a 2025 LinkedIn Workforce Confidence Survey, 1 in 3 remote workers, that's 34%, they already have a digital side gig. Why? Because the tools are cheaper, the demand is global, and the barrier to entry is basically gone. So what do you need? One is for you to pick a niche. Say fitness, travel, small business, auto mechanics, plumbing, electrical installation, anything. Use AI tools to design few useful templates or guides. Upload them online, then you write SEO-friendly titles using keywords like AI prompts, social media planner, or digital toolkit. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. You don't even need to go viral. You just need to show up. And remember this, perfection is optional, action is not. The next side hustle is remote tech support and virtual operations. This one is perfect if you are organized and good at problem solving. Small businesses are overwhelmed right now. Emails, automation tools, inventory, data, online support. They need virtual help. That is where you come in handy. You can earn $25 to $40 an hour helping companies handle their back-end systems remotely. And here's the better part. You don't need an IT degree. You just need to be the kind of person who says to themselves, give me 5 minutes, I'll figure that out. A 2025 HR survey found that 51% of remote employees already have side gigs, and men are 16% more likely than women to add extra work for extra income. So men, listen up. Think about it. You can do managing inboxes, clean up spreadsheets, upload products to Etsy, and you can find these jobs on Upwork, LinkedIn, or freelancer.com. One pro tip is to offer a free consultation for your first client and see what happens. It's going to build trust and it's going to turn into long-term work. And hey, if you are already the tech support person for your family, then hey, might as well get paid for it. Side hustle number 3 is website template and digital asset flipping. Now, this one is for my creative builders. If you have ever enjoyed building slides and you just want to play around in Canva, this is your thing. You can make website templates, social media kits, or presentation decks and sell them online. Here's why it works. According to FlexJobs 2025, 41% of US workers have thought about quitting their jobs to focus on side hustles. That means millions of new entrepreneurs are being born every year, and they all need good-looking branding. You can feel that need and you didn't even realize it. Say you create one Canva website template and you list it for $25. If 10 people buy it, just 10, that is $250 from just one product. 3 of those templates, and that is $750 a month passively. Platforms for this are like Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad. These are going to be your playground. Use titles like Editable Canva templates for coaching or Shopify banner kit for small businesses. That is what is going to get you the clicks. And if you ever doubt yourself, just remember this. Someone out there made 6 figures making Notion dashboards for productivity. So yes, your Canva template can pay your bills. Side hustle number 4 is going to be online tutoring or tech skill coaching. Now, this one is for those who like teaching or helping others. If you can explain Excel formulae and you can also explain Canva shortcuts or ChatGPT basics, congratulations. You can make money teaching it. Websites like Preply, Tutor.com, and Superprof, they let you teach virtually any skill, or you can do it independently via Zoom or even social media. Most tutors earn $25 to $45 an hour, and students prefer learning from these real persons, not just watching the tutorials. Let's say you teach 2 sessions per week at $40 each. That is $320 a month. 5 sessions a week, over $1,000. You don't need to be an expert. Just remember that. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else and you will be of value to them. Look at this example. One of my friends teaches Canva for beginners. She earns more teaching Canva than she ever did in her full-time job. And here's the beauty. You're creating value and you're building a brand. One pro tip here is that you should record your session, clip short segments of them, and upload it to YouTube Shorts or Instagram. Now you're earning twice. Once from tutoring and once from your content. If your channel is monetized, that is what we call teaching smarter, not harder. Side hustle number 5 is affiliate, tech, and SaaS review content like AI apps, creativity software, or online services when you review them. And the best part is that you earn a commission when someone else signs up through your link. This is one of the most profitable long-term side hustles. Why? Because it builds recurring income. Here's an example. You make a short video recording the top 2 tools for freelancers. Say 2 people watch it and 1% click on your link. Just 1%. That is 20 links. 5 of them sign up at $30 per referral. That is $150. And in case you don't realize it, we have done this calculation based on conservative numbers. And the best part is that you don't need a big following. You just need to be consistent and honest in what you are reviewing. If they trust you, they will click. Channels that focus on software review and productivity like Ali Abdal and Think Media, these are the ones that are pulling in thousands monthly from affiliate programs. So if you like explaining things and you want scalable income, this is your ticket, because at some point your worth will be working harder than you are. So let's recap. You just learned 5 tech side hustles anyone can use, even you, and you can start it with even a laptop. 1 is AI content and prompt engineering, 2 is remote tech support, 3 is website template and digital asset flipping, 4 is online tutoring or tech coaching, and 5 is affiliate tech and SaaS reviews. And here's the truth. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They are get-started tonight opportunities with your laptop. Pick one. Give it 30 days. Stay consistent, even when it feels like no one is watching, and just watch the results. Because once you make that first $100 online, something within you changes. You realize you don't need permission to build income. You just need a plan. So before you click away, ask yourself, if you could make an extra $500 this month, how would that change your life? Would it buy you time? Would it buy you freedom? Or would it buy you peace? Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe and drop a comment telling me which side hustle you are going to be starting this week. And remember, the best investment you will ever make is in your own potential. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.